So guys, in this video I'll be explaining you what is an automatic mode in any DSLR camera. So guys, firstly we can see a dial here. We just have to move this to A+, that means fully automatic mode. So guys, when you move the dial on top of our camera, you can see it on our LCD screen. So in this way it will be moving, and when you set a particular mode, it will be displayed in your LCD screen. So guys, now our camera is in fully automatic mode. So in automatic mode, you can firstly see autofocus points. Firstly, we have autofocus method, second autofocus single, and third autofocus multi. And next we have drive mode. In drive mode, we have many options. By using this, we can set our camera to how we want to capture our image. For example, in high-speed continuous shots, our camera will be taking many images in just one click with high speed. And similarly, in low speed, many images are captured in our camera with low speed. And next we have our image quality here. We can set it our image quality to JPEG or RAW, or we can also combine the both. And next we have flash. In this we can off our inbuilt flash, or we can also put it in automatic mode. And currently I have set the flash in automatic mode. So in automatic mode, the flash will be triggered in necessary conditions. That means in low light or when there is no light. And in some cases, it will also trigger the flash in daylight conditions. And now I am going to disable the flash. And now when you disable the flash won't be triggered when you press the shutter button. And now you can see here, the flash won't trigger when you press the shutter button if you disable the flash. And now again when you enable the flash, it will be triggered as usual and give you the image with inbuilt flashlight. So guys, in A+ mode everything will be automatic. And now here you can see, when I zoom into the subject or object, the ISO is changed accordingly to the subject. And also you can see on the left side, the shutter speed and aperture also changed accordingly to the subject. So guys, if you want an image without flash, we just have to disable it. We should not try it forcefully to stop the flash. By using in this way, your camera will be in trouble. So guys, when you press the shutter button in halfway, the image will be get focused. Similarly, when you press the shutter button halfway and move the camera, you can see here the background will be blurred as it is. This is what called focus lock. In this, the focus is locked at a particular subject placed in the frame. So guys, this is the shutter button. So guys, when you press this in halfway, the image will be get focused. And when you press the full, the image will be captured. So guys, next we have image quality. We can set our image quality to RAW, JPEG, and also we can combine the both RAW plus JPEG, which will give you the fullest clarity of the image without missing a detail. Guys, this was the image which I was trying to capture at the starting of the video. Hope you guys like it. And that's all for today guys. I'll be seeing you in my next video with another interesting topic. Until then, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Canon Captures, and don't forget to click the bell icon guys.